Hi, what's up, guys? This is Govindasamy Srinivasan from govindasamysrinivasan.com. Welcome to List Lariat Review. We are in the members area of List Lariat, which is a complete video course showing you step by step how to set up your complete system for making money online. I'll come back to this in a minute and do a complete walkthrough. Now, coming to the product, the List Lariat launches on the 16th of October and my bonuses will expire on 18th of October. I put to them some awesome bonuses for those of you who want to pick List Lariat through my link. So if you want to buy List Lariat, you need to go below this video and click the first link, which will bring you to this bonus page, and when you click one of these orange buttons, it will take you to the sales page where you can go and purchase List Lariat. Now you need to do that before the bonuses expire, and it will happen when my countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, and I don't want you to miss any of the bonuses. Now coming to List Lariat. What is List Lariat all about? List Lariat is a step-by-step over-the-shoulder training on how to build your email list asset for yourself by giving away free courses. People say the money is the list. So there are many courses out there which teaches you how to build your list. But I have found this is one of the easiest ways to build your list, because there is a very unique way that Saurabh shows you how to build your list, and the way he sets up the whole campaign, it is very replicatable. So you need to follow the step-by-step method what he teaches and just implement it. Okay, and the no prior experience is needed. It is 100% newbie friendly. You can get unlimited people into your list. Anybody can get started today. You can make big money with this, and it is based on 100% free traffic. If this is of interest to you, I urge you to stay till the end of my video, because I am going to show you more details about the List Lariat and my bonuses. Now let's jump to my bonuses. Bonus number 1. This is a pin marketing tool and video course which leverages the high traffic Pinterest social media account, from where you can bring hordes of traffic onto your List Lariat funnel. I have also included a pin marketing tool, which is a web-based app which automates the complete 95% of the tasks for you once your account is set up. Bonus number 2. This is an underground traffic source which you can use to drive traffic to your List Lariat funnel. This is a complete course which shows you step by step how to set up this traffic source. Bonus number 3. This is a software business in a box with reseller lights. This consists of 3 software web apps which you can sell as your own. Now when you build your list, it is easy to sell products to your list, and with the resell rights you can keep 100% of the products. Bonus number 4. This is how to write headlines that sell. Now when you have a big list, now how do you make your list open your emails and buy from you? You need to write compelling headlines. So this is a video course which teaches you how to write headlines that sell. Bonus number 5 includes all the vendor bonuses. The vendor has included some awesome courses and traffic sources for you, which you can access through this bonus. Now, if you want to access all my bonuses, you need to go to one of these orange buttons, which you can find when you come to this bonus page by clicking on the first link in the video. And when you press this orange button, it will take you to the sales page where you can go and purchase your copy of List Lariat. After purchasing List Lariat, go to your Warrior Plus account, to your username, and access the purchase receipt, which will look like this. And when you go to the blue button and click it, you get instant access to all my bonuses and the vendor bonuses. Now let's jump to the sales page. So this is the sales page of List Lariat, which will go live when the product is launched. So here, learn the secrets of list building, newbie proof list building secret. So I will show you in a minute how easy anybody new can build a list using this system. Now this is Bill, one of the co-creators of the product. Okay, he along with Saurabh has brought you this product. Now a lot of income proof which they show on this page, a lot of testimonials of people who have used this and made money. So you can go through what this product is through the sales page, and you can go through the complete sales page at your own leisure time. Now I will take you through to the members area. Now we are in this members area, which is a complete video course. Okay, you have a welcome video by Bill, where a very good teaser video shows you what exactly this whole product is about, and then Saurabh takes you through the complete funnel, how to set up your system. So he's a very experienced marketer and he knows how to build list. So he shows you the overview, he gives you an introduction to the List Lariat, the tools you will require, and the tools he is going to give away which you can use. And this is the main training where he shows you how to set up your squeeze page. In fact they give you 2 products to give away, and how to set up this product. The unique twist is they show you how to set up these products in Warrior Plus so that you can give it away for free, and also collect your email when people purchase the free product through Warrior Plus. So there is he shows you how to create urgency bonds on your landing page, how to create thank you page, how to create your email list, how to create this enticing offer that is inside your Warrior Plus account, and how to update this in your squeeze page. And he also shows you how to create your email sequence once people opt into your list. Now he also gives you for free 180 days of email follow-up sequence, because many of the people do not know once the funnel is set up what emails to send daily. So you can leverage this free 180 days follow-up sequence to set up your autoresponder. Now next comes the traffic part. Now Saurabh has used Facebook traffic. So normally this is not something which you normally hear from others, how to get free traffic from your profile. This is a very unique twist he has used, and it is very easy to implement. You consistently implement this process day in day out, and you will start getting a flood of traffic to your List Lariat funnel. So other than Facebook, he also shows you 3 more sources of free traffic. One is the mailers, how to use it, and he gives you a list of mailers which you can use. Similarly with classified ads, how to set up your classified ads and all the resources he gives you. And Quora, which is a powerful social media, how to use Quora to get traffic to your List Lariat funnel. And finally come bonuses. All the bonuses which are listed on the sales page, you can access it here. Okay, now you can receive all of this and all of my bonuses only if you purchase the front end for $12.95. Okay, so but there are some upsells also available which I will explain you here. So there are 4 upsells available, and front end, of course, this is a step-by-step over-the-shoulder training on how to build an email list and asset for yourself by giving away free stuff. OTO 1 is an advanced advanced secret traffic methods and trainings. The same strategies which the owners of this course have used to build their list, which is costing $37. OTO 2 is a done for you version costing $67. You will get 5 done for you pages which you can use to drive your traffic. OTO number 3 is a reseller lights. Okay, I'm sorry I have not mentioned the cost. It is costing around $97. Here you will get 100% resale rights to the entire product, which you mean earn 100% commissions. OTO number 4 is 4 weeks coaching costing $197. You get 4 weeks of live coaching to learn and implement these strategies to get started with online marketing and make affiliate commissions daily. Now, finally, let me recap the benefits. So, no prior experience is needed to implement this system. It is completely 100% newbie friendly. You can get any number of people into your list. You can get started as quickly as today, and you can make big paydays if you are consistent with this method. And this course uses only 100% free traffic. Now, this brings us to the end of this review video, and I urge you to go through all my bonuses and pick up List Lariat before the price increases. Thank you very much for going through my review video. If you liked my review of List Lariat, I request you to like my video, subscribe to my video, and comment on my video. See you until next. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Bye.